Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to enable time model watermark in your Vivo Y51. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to open your camera apps. Now you can see if I'm going to take any picture and if I see the preview the picture, there is not appear any time and model watermark. Now you might be want to enable time and model watermark. In order to do that, you need to open the camera apps and then click this gear icon. After click over gear icon, scroll down and then you're going to find here watermark. Now here if you want to enable time watermark, model watermark or custom watermark, you can simply go with that. For example, I turn on time model watermark, model watermark, also custom watermark. If you want to custom the watermark, you can just type here something by Rahim or whatever you want. You can easily type it here, the custom watermark. Let me go here, type here for by Rahim and make here save. Now let me go back and try to take a new picture from begin. If I now take a picture and if you go to see the preview, hopefully it's going to be up here the model, time and also as usual by the photographer name. So in this way you can easily enable time model watermark in your Vivo Y51. Now you might be decide to turn off these things. In order to do that, again you need to go this camera icon and click this gear icon and scroll down and then you're going to find here watermark and you can easily turn those off if you need. So in this way you can easily enable or disable time and model watermark in your Vivo Y51. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.